Many of you are looking for a soy sauce alternative, and as promised, here is what I use as a substitute to unhealthy soy sauce that we find in the market. A few days ago, I had shared the recipe to make amla candy at home with jaggery. I decided to use the leftover water released by amla and jaggery as an alternative to soy sauce, and I found as a family that this really worked wonders in all of the recipes that need soya sauce. So here's what I use as an alternative. The leftover amla jaggery syrup is what is my favorite healthy vitamin C rich soy sauce substitute. Now that amla is in season, please try out this recipe and make your own soy sauce at home, which is healthy. And I would look forward to hearing back from you on this recipe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.